And we are back this evening with another new box break. Tonight we've got 2022-23 Select Basketball made by Panini. We've got two blaster boxes. As you'll see, I've already got the packs out. I have never opened Select Basketball that I can recall. From my understanding, the base set is broken down into sections. There's the concourse section, which is cards 1 to 100. And then the premier level, which is 101 to 200. And then lastly, the court side, which is 201 to 300. And I think the court side level or court side section are more rare than the others, from my understanding. But anyways, like we always do about this time, let's rip into some packs and see what we can get this evening out of 2022-23 Select Basketball. We got Jimmy Butler from the top, Pascal Siakam, Paul George, and Dieng, orange rookie. Kind of cool. I don't know if that's the flash Prizm that they're talking about on the box, but pretty cool. I did see there are some color wheel insert cards in this set that look really cool. They're pretty much a short print chase card, but they look awesome. Keegan Murray, rookie card off the top. Trae Young. I'll show you the back. We got Anthony Edwards. And then lastly, Fred VanVleet. And at this point, we all kind of know this rookie class. Obviously, Banchero, the rookie of the year, we're looking for. Jaden, Ivey, Benedict, Mathurin, Jalen Williams, Walker Kessler, Chet Holmgren, who did not play this last year, but hopefully he'll be back. Sochan, and then Jabari Smith Jr. Those are all some decent names to be on the lookout for. Chris Middleton. Jalen Green of the Rockets. VanVleet again. And now I see a green Tyrese Maxey. So that's pretty cool. And this is considered a concourse. So it's number 9. Let me see what this one is. Okay, that as well. But it's got the green in it, so I'm assuming it is, I don't know, to be honest with you. All right, next pack. 2022-23 Select Basketball. We got James Harden, who is not content in Philadelphia. Giannis. Always nice to see Giannis. Diabate rookie card. And then an orange of Julius Randle. It's kind of cool. On to the next. Lillard, Dame time. Still a Blazer as of now. But we'll see. Embiid. That's cool. Drew Holiday. And another James Harden. And final pack of the first blaster. We got Jaden Hardy, rookie of the Mavericks. Kawhi Leonard. Steph Curry. And then last, that's pretty cool looking. It's Paul George. Oh, Thunder Lane. It's pretty cool. Go ahead and put that up. Since we don't have anything up, why not? All right. We're into blaster number 2. Colin Sexton in a Jazz uni. Brandon Ingram. Jalen Williams rookie. Nice. That's one that I was kind of looking for. And LaRavia orange rookie. I feel like I get a lot of that guy. I'm going to go ahead and put the Jalen Williams rookie up. as we proceed on. DeRozan off the top. Lowry Markkanen. Had himself quite the year. Kyrie Irving in a Mavericks jersey. And lastly, Andrew Nembhard rookie card. Not a terrible one to get. Of the Pacers. He had an all right year. All right, next pack. De'Aaron Fox. David Roddy rookie card. Desmond Bane. And we got a rookie of Abaji. That's kind of sweet. It's got some purple and some green in there. Got all kinds of things going on. Jalen Duren rookie card. Not a bad one there either. Zach LaVine. Oh, there we go. Banchero rookie. Sweet. Nice. Can't complain about that. And Tyrese Maxey orange, which is number 9. And then we'll see we got this one as well of Maxey, which is number 9. So just different variants of the same card. Banchero. Let's get you up. Rookie of the year. All right. Looks like we have 2 packs left for the rip. Jalen Brunson in a Knicks jersey. Ja Morant. Dalen Terry rookie card. And LaMelo Ball is the last card. All right, it's time for some last pack romance as we get into the final pack of 2022-23 Panini Select Basketball. We got Chris Stapps off the top of the pack, Evan Mobley, Karl Anthony Towns, and numbers, Ja Morant insert of some sort. It's kind of a cool one. It's definitely pretty cool. All right, so that's it for the rip. Pretty happy, actually. Got the Jalen Williams and the Banchero rookie cards. We got this Ja Morant insert, the Paul George insert, a couple of the orange rookies, or these could actually be the Flash Prisms. We got Lavaria and Dieng, and then we got this Julius Randle. Obviously, this one that we got down the end, and then the 2 Maxies of the different variations are pretty cool. But overall, fun rip. Let me know what you thought down in the comments, what you think of this year's Panini Select Basketball. Until next time, though, we shall certainly do this again soon, and we are out.